I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and this is your weather on demand. Here are your few weather headlines to start the week. Well, in any case, you might want to grab the umbrella because it's certainly going to be pretty wet, at least the first couple of days. And then as we transition to the second half, it's going to be cooler, but still it's going to be raining and then snowing. Not quite as heavily, though, as Monday and Tuesday, but all in all, it's going to be a mild end to November, which is exactly how we started. Of course, we started way above average. Temperatures were 20 and 25 degrees, and we're going to end up just about 9. Right now we're 8.5 degrees above average for the month. Actually, on pace for the second warmest November in 40 years. And potential snow this week, just going to be lake effect, though, not a huge deal either. Some models indicate just a couple of sloppy inches in the highlands of Marquette and Berga County. Everybody else not going to see any snow heading into the first week of December. Clouds are already thickening up as we approach this next weather system, as that one starts to gather strength, and really very strong one. And we can tell by the wind field, winds are now out of the southeast as they go counterclockwise behind low pressure systems. And we're already getting gusts at 22 miles an hour from Escanaba, 21 from Menominee, and 20 miles an hour from Houghton. Everywhere else has sustained winds between 10 to about 18 miles an hour. Those will actually be on the increase heading into the day on Monday. So in addition to the rain jacket and also the umbrella, those are two things you will need to start your week. Highs today really tailed between west and east. Where there wasn't any fog, we saw temperatures rise to the mid-40s, 46 in Manistee and mid-40s in Escanaba and Munising. So definitely the fog and the low clouds stuck around, mainly in the highest elevations and closer to Lake Superior as well. But we're getting the resurgence of the warm air. It's heavy rainfall going to be falling just east of this system. Just some snow also in the Dakotas, 5 to 8 inches possible in Bismarck and in Pierre. And behind that is where we'll see some of the colder air start to wrap around. And here's the system, how it's taking shape. Low pressure right about here, eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, and that will slowly track up actually to the north of us, which is why they're already starting to get a little bit of snow now and rain-snow mix in Bismarck. Now for us, putting your weather in motion here, we can see that we're going to have clear skies will fade away, and those will generally give way to rainier skies, which is exactly what we're going to be seeing overnight tonight. Showers will pick up in intensity and also in coverage from southwest to northeast. Here's the rain numbers telling us that really a couple of rounds. Here's 9 a.m. tomorrow morning is when we get going on the action, especially in Menominee County, Delta, and then also southern Schoolcraft County, where you can pick up a quarter to possibly half an inch of rainfall. But then notice by tomorrow night, not a whole lot of rain for the north, and especially northwest too. This may be up to a quarter inch, but then the round 2 is where we're going to see a lot more rainfall. Stronger low pressure system is going to be moving in, and that means over an inch of rainfall for some spots in the UP. Temperature wise, we're going to be mild. Here's Monday's highs, going to be in the mid-40s for everybody, low 40s across the south. So for tomorrow, it's very breezy. Notice the southeast winds between 12 to 25 miles per hour. Your TV 6-day forecast is going to be very mild close to November, which does come to an end on Wednesday. We begin December with a little bit cooler air on Thursday, temperatures in the 30s. Just lake effect snow, and then lighter snow on Thursday and Friday off Lake Superior.